I like you watch him video ya. Nice video me look him. Watch.
Opinion lo blogger. Okay, now. Okay, me three more isla. Key old isla G code mbla la niya. Me three lo isla chat now. Okay, so now by bla looking first time bla la nothing. So now me three lo isla chat now. Okay, by me explaining bla. So time you no stop time. Okay, by blade go through now by blade lining. So M all isla M key G major. Okay, 7 chord na minor chord. Where M by go one time isla chord yan G. First time bla lining ya 2-3 weeks ago. 3 bla weekend bla lining longen. M bla lining no G that's all. So now me dream finish lo ya. So okay, M G now. Okay, strum M G now. Okay, G7, MM terus stop ya. Okay, isla pinga alarm stop.
So guys, leadership is all about passing the button. We need this kind of content on the space. Currently, Papua New Guinea, we all observing plenty of mama, Papa will beginning la trying lining beginning la talk good, drink beer, something right. Even though posting to the internet. Inshallah Papua New Guinea, it's not right. Because plenty beginning blame will grow up, mindset blown or fix. Because how you may teach him all time all stop. Baby yet. So goal blow man mer Papua New Guinea or Saweman Papua New Guinea or leader of Papua New Guinea, they want Papua New Guinea to be changed. Me don't like him or trouble fight na corrupt say na kind of say. So me like him straight lo watch him video blow. Sila bata lo teach him or beginning lo fight him kita. This kind of skills blamas line him all time or little get. So gonna follow him page long all put on tablo comment section eh. Please follow him page long all. Now watch him plan the video long all. Thank you na share him video.